Okay, still continue on modular arithmetic. Let's look at November 2005, question 1. It says draw a table for multiplication in module 8 on the set 3, 5, and 7 using, and then so the first A part is just draw the table. So let's say A, we want to draw the table. So we're given a set of numbers. So we're going to start, and remember this is a multiplication. So we're going to just do the multiplication here, and then we have 3, 5, and then 7. So you have 3, 5, and 7. I'm so sorry, 7. And always remember, you don't have to actually use a pen and a ruler and stuff to straighten your line. This is mathematics. You don't. There's no point. I don't think you're gonna get any point for ruling beautiful lines and not being able to do the work. So this is in module 8. So in module 8, this is 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So 9 minus 8 will give you 1. So this place will be 1. 3 times uh, 5 is 15. 15 in module 8 is 7. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So this is 7. 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 module 8 is 5. So if you understand this, for instance, 21 divided by 8 is equal to 16 remainder 5. That's why we get 5 here. Right, so you understand, so 5 times 3 is equal to 15, the same as 3 times 5. So this and this will have the same value, so it's also 7. That is a trick about, modular arithmetic and most mathematics. Since multiplication is commutative, 3 times 5 is 7, and therefore uh, 5 times 3 is also equal to 7. Now 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 25 in module 8 is 1, because it's like, so 25 divided by 8, you will get 3, which is 24, remainder 1. So this is 1. And the same thing, so 5 times 7 is 35, the same as 7. So 5 times 7 is 35. You go through the process, you get 3. And I'm going to use the same method. So I want you to be able to just complete the table like that. So 7 times 3 is equal to 21. And I think that's the same as 3 times this. So the same as this. So you get 5. And similarly, 7 times 5 is 35. This 5 times 7, you also get 3 here. And then 7 times 7 is 49. 49, I think if you module 8, you get 48. Remember 1, so this 1. So now we have the first part done. Alright, now let's go to B. This is actually supposed to be. Let's actually make the change here, right here. They type it wrongly here, so I'm just going to make it B here. That's part B. Part B, using your table, evaluate 7 uh, star 7 star. So this is B is the first one. I is 7 times 3 times 5 is equal to, you're going to do this one first. So this is going to be 7 times, and 3 times 5 in module as you can is 7, right? 7 times 3, what is the first one here? Yeah, 3 times 5. Okay, I think the equation is wrong. The equation is wrong here. I think it's supposed to be this times this. Oh no, that's correct. Okay, let's go back. I think I copied it wrongly here. So let's do. This is the way it's supposed to be like. The first one. The first one is 7 star times 3 times 5 is equal to. So do 7 times 3 first. So 7 times 3 will give you 5, and then 5 times 5 will give me what? 5 times 5 according to the table is 3, right? So 5 times 5, no, sorry, 5 times 5 is equal to 1. So 5 times 5 is equal to 1 here. So it's 1. Now, and then the next one is 7 times 3 times 5 is equal to 7 times 3 times 5 here is 7. and 7 is also equal to 1. So they are trying to test your ability to do that in distributive property or multiplication. And then let's do the I. I'm going to clean this side here and do the third one. The I is find the set n such that n times n is equal to 1. So here, similar to some of the problems you solved, you just have to start from n is equal to the first n, and so n is equal to 3. So you're going to have n times 3. 3 times 3 is equal to what? 3, and 3 is equal to 1. So satisfy the requirement. Let's move to 5. 5 times 5. 5 times 5 from the table. If you look here, this is the table, this is the table here. 5 times 5 will also give us 1. That's correct. And then I'm going to change the color and use this one so you can see. And then the next one is 7 times 7. This is 7 here, and this is 7 here. 7 times 7 is also equal to 1. So and that means n is equal to 3, 5, 7. So that satisfies the requirement. That is how you get the answer. So that's it, folks. So I'll see you in the next video.